Hoy es viernes, agosto 17, y bienvenidos al show de ServiceMonster.
What he meant to say was, today is Friday, August 17th, 2018, and this is
El show de ServiceMonster. Symposium was awesome.
ServiceMonster new release 6.2.9.
And technician release Juan. A lot of Juans. This week in social media.
So you may or may not be aware, but Instagram this week rolled out a new feature to where you can send private polls to specific people or specific groups of people. Now we've talked about using polls in marketing and to your clients, but they're also working on something that I thought you might be interested in. This one isn't released yet, but it's in the works. They're talking about what they're calling the lists feature. So you can send and control posts and also stories from going to, or let's see, you can send them to specific people or groups of people. So if that's something, if you use Instagram a lot with your social media marketing, then that might be something that's of interest to you.
So this week we found a great article on 4 essential ways of connecting with your target audience. 50% of businesses fail within their first 4 years of existence, and at the base of every successful business are happy customers. So check them out. Number 1, study what your competition isn't doing. Check out their website. What are their strong points? Where are they lacking? So you can go in there and fill in that gap for other potential customers. 2, communicate via social media. A lot of communication going on back and forth with emails. Don't be afraid to slide into a DM here and there. 3, study and refine your data. Understand it. It's kind of like if you don't understand your data and you're just assuming what's working and what isn't, it's kind of like throwing a wet noodle at the wall and hoping it sticks. So understand your data within. Facebook has a lot of great tools. Understanding your demographics, which posts gain more followers, which posts have more likes. That way you can do more of what's working and less of what's not. And lastly, have engaged employees. A lot of people forget about this step. So having employees that are passionate and engaged will shine through to your target audience. Company culture is big, investing and developing your team as well. We talked about that a lot in the symposium this week. So that's a big one.
Google released Google One this week, which is kind of like Google Drive, except some of the prices you might like better. So it's extra storage. So if you're looking to purchase extra storage through Google, then you might want to look into this. It was released in the US as of now only, but they're planning on releasing it to other countries as well. Like I said, the biggest difference is the prices. So whereas if you had 1 terabyte from Google Drive, in Google One, you can actually get 2 terabytes for the same price. So that's the biggest difference. Just wanted to let you guys know that rolled out this week. This week, Inside Smug. So Inside Smug, Mary Lynn asked a question about deleting a billing statement in ServiceMonster 6, was having trouble finding where to do that. And Sierra actually offered the solution. So I just wanted to share that with you guys now. So all you have to do is go to Orders in the Navigator, select Billing, and then you have the option to click the check boxes and select all the billing statements that you want to delete, and then just select Delete Billing Statements, and the job should be done.
And Alan, we appreciate your feedback about the symposium. So much feedback from the symposium from a lot of our attendees. We really appreciate that. And just like you said, Alan, we truly made it about you guys. It's always about you guys and how we can help you, because when you win, we all win. And for those that weren't there, keep your eye out for a video of the recap of the symposium. Justin behind the camera there, I know he's looking at me right now. He's gonna put something together for everybody to check out, so keep an eye out for that.
So whenever we have a new release in ServiceMonster, either with ServiceMonster 6 or Technician. I always try to post about it up on Smug. So this week I posted about Technician 1.1.1, and Javi is going to be divulging a little bit more details about what exactly was released with that. There's a handful of important fixes, so he'll tell you a little bit more. But if you want to keep an eye out for when new releases come out, keep an eye out on Smug. And they'll also be released with notes on the blog and also with videos as well. So just thought I'd let you guys know.
And inside ServiceMonster this week, Don just wanted us to let you guys know that super agents are full for the month, so thank you for those that applied.
ServiceMonster product updates. And we have a major new release coming out to you very, very soon. I've actually written up all the notes and have made a video as well, so you can keep an eye out for that. 6.2.9. Some of the things that will be included are many, many fixes. This is actually a pretty big release. I want to say there was like 47 trackers that we took care of, and also a few features. One of the fixes was with Calendar. So now when you delete a job or an event in ServiceMonster, it will also delete it inside Google Calendar. You may have also noticed that our home dashboard we've had a lot of changes happening to that, both with the news feed, etc. But we also added a new table view in place of the tiles dashboard. So when you're looking at the home page, you'll notice our average income, invoices, etc. There'll be a button at the top where you can select table view. And you might want to know that you can now drag blank or not blank line items within work orders. So if you're wanting to reorder some things, it's really easy to do now. You just click with your mouse, drag it up or down, and you can reorder things from there.
And Technician 1.1.1. Now you can apply split payments on the technicians properly. A lot of you guys were asking about that on Smug, so we heard you. Development team answered. And now you can edit quantity and dimensions after linking a service item in the Technician app as well.
From everyone here at ServiceMonster, thank you so much for your attention.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Go check out the demo.
And give us a call.
You purchased that and been using that for your business. They're offering